I had no idea you guys were coming today for that documentary about Marci. Come on in. She's in the back. Marci! Marci, what did I tell you about going outside without your helmet on?
Mom, I'm just looking at these beautiful plants.
Oh yes, I forget. Hey Marci, how would you like to go inside and I'll teach you all about hormones?
Okay, that sounds fun.
Alright, come on inside and I'll teach you some basics. Marci, do you know what a hormone is?
Yes, isn't that what's in my body?
Kind of. What is the deal with this kid?
What was that?
Nothing. Where was I? A hormone is a chemical in plants that regulates their growth and development.
So I have these in me?
You're supposed to, but you have a disease. God, why is it so hot in here? I'm trying to do my Tylenol. What the what, Marci? What did I tell you about scaring me?
I just want to learn more about these hormones.
Okay, come sit down. I'll tell you some more. First, I need to tell you what a tropism is. A tropism is like a reflex that makes the plant respond to a stimulus. There are three main types of tropisms. The first is called phototropism, and it's a response to light.
Like that?
God, Marci. The second is called gravitropism or geotropism. It's a plant's response to gravity.
I'm having a difficult time understanding this. Let's say I'm gravity and you're a plant.
Okay.
Ugh.
God, Marci. You're making an old woman cry. Let's continue. The last type of tropism is thigmotropism, and it is a response to heat.
Okay, so like when I turned up the thermostat to 80 today and you got all sweaty when you were doing your karate stuff?
Sadly, yes. I'm kind of tired for today. I will teach you all about hormones tomorrow. Alright, Marci, now that we know about tropisms and plant hormones, let's learn about what the 5 hormones in plants are.
The 5 hormones are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and ethylene.
What the what? How did you know all that?
Wikipedia, of course. Oh, see, I'm extremely impressed.
I'm extremely impressed.
Come on, let's check it out. Let's start with auxins. These chemicals help to lengthen cells in plants by loosening cell walls. They can also work with other hormones to stimulate cell division. They travel down the stem of the plant. Auxin can be distributed unevenly in the plants because of those tropisms you were telling me about yesterday.
Phototropism, thigmotropism, and geotropism. Those tropisms decide where the hormones are going to be located in the plant, and thus what the plant's going to look like.
Auxin is generally found in young leaves.
I almost forgot about your lunch. Fun fact time. Agent Orange, the dangerous chemical used by the U.S. against the Vietnamese to destroy ground cover, has auxin in it.
Don't you know that's bad, Mom?
Yeah, the hot flashes must be getting to me.
Maybe I should go turn the thermostat down. Gibberellins stimulate stem elongation, add flowering, as well as wake seeds up from their long winter's nap. They're made in the seeds, roots, and buds of the plants, though they end up located in small leaves as well. The most interesting thing I learned is that gibberellins are like sex change doctors. They can only make certain plants male, though. Anyway, gibberellins are really important in increasing crop yields. You know that the Green Revolution I told you about when I was in Human Geo? These chemicals help make hybrid varieties of rice and wheat that are easier to grow and bigger.
Wow, that's really interesting. Here's your lunch, Maris.
Thanks, Mom.
Continue.
Cytokinins are synthesized in the roots of the plant and undifferentiated cells of the plant. They keep leaves from shedding off the plant and help the plant grow, making oxygen kind of like their friend. Farmers use them a lot to increase crop yields.
Wow, Marci, I thought you were dumb. I'm impressed.
Whatever, Mom, you're making this take forever. The next hormone is abscisic acid. It's found in a lot of places along the plant, including roots, leaves, and stems. It's kind of like the sleeping pill that is used to protect the buds and stuff. Kind of like the sleeping pills I took this morning.
What'd you say, Marci?
Oh, nothing, Mom.
Okay.
Anyway, if there's not enough water for the plant, abscisic acid helps it to live. Some farmers like to spray it on fruit trees to reduce the number of fruits because hand thinning of the plants is very expensive and time consuming.
This is boring, Marci. I'm not even getting a chance to talk here.
Too bad. Your life has no meaning anyway. The final hormone is ethylene, found in the ripening fruits of the plant. It is a gas made by the seeds, leaves, fruits, and roots of the plant, and it helps the fruits ripen. Obviously, food companies like to use ethylene to ripen fruits so they don't have to wait for them to ripen naturally.
This apple may not have ripened on its own. Oh, Marci.
Yes, now that I have a new love for plants and hormones, I'm going to go play outside.
Me too. Just let me get this spandex off. See you in a couple hours, Mars.